How to make grilled bangus. Yung tipong restaurant quality talaga. Hi guys, this is Chef Philip. Today we'll make inihaw na boneless bangus. Turuan ko kayo, let's go! The real secret para hindi dry is the marinade. Pepper. Marinate for 30 minutes. Alam nyo ba, it's recommended to add onion, tomato, garlic, and ginger to avoid fishy aftertaste. Since we added liquid seasoning in Magic Sarap, I will not recommend to add salt anymore. Just add all the fillings and add oil on top para hindi masunog. Pwede nyo tong i-air fry or grill. Then cook for 20 minutes. Kung iihaw mo naman, balutin mo lang ng foil, ilagay mo sa uling. Of course, hindi pwede mawala sa usawan. And nag-fry lang ako ng onions para ilalagay ko on top. Add chicken oil, spring onions, and Maggi Sabor liquid seasoning. Again, sa paglagay ng pampalasa, lahat ng sobra masama.
Let's try it.
Ikaw, how do you grill your bangus? Comment down below. Kaya naman, follow for more easy recipe vlogs. Bye guys, see ya!
So good.
Mahilig ka ba sa mga mukhang hipon? Ay, kumain pala ng hipon? Hi guys, this is Chef Lik. Another day, another recipe vlog. Today, tuturo ko sa inyo yung secret sa isang crispy tempura at veggies. Turuan ko kayo, let's go! First, you need to devein the shrimp. Meaning, you have to remove the central vein or yung maitim na bituka. Pagkatapos, baltan mo, tanggalin mo yung ulo. Tapon ulo, kain katawan. Ganyan ang ginagawa sa hipon. Make sure linisin mo yan para hindi ka magkaroon ng allergic reaction. The only secret para sa isang crispy and crunchy tempura ay sparkling water. Yung iba ginagawa, nilalagay ng yelo yung batter. Sa dipping sauce naman, nag-prepare lang ako ng hikuman and wasabi. Pagpainit na kayo ng mantika, prito nyo na yung tempura. Fry nyo lang for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, drain nyo na and set aside. O diba, ang dali lang gawin, kaya naman itag nyo ako sa recipes nyo ha. Pangilan Japanese recipe na ba to? Pwede na nga kayo maggawa ng restaurant nyo from this recipe. Dahil back to school na, hulaan nyo ang next recipe ko dito sa comment section. Isang malupit na hululang fried rice series, sinangag series, kanin series, anything na may flavor na kanin. Ang unang makakahula ulit, may papremyo sa akin. Bye guys! See ya! I-like na ang Facebook and Instagram ko. Hi guys! This is Chef Elite. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng isa sa mga favorite yung recipe ngayong holiday season. Turuan ko kayo. Let's go! Let's season the pork belly. You can buy sliced pork belly in all supermarkets. Marinate all sides with liquid seasoning and salt and pepper. Make sure to rub it together with garlic. Spread it all over the belly. Add onion, lemongrass, or tanglad, green onion, then roll it over. Make sure all the ingredients will remain inside. Gumamit kayo ng panali o kitchen twine. And steam for 45 minutes. Kapag nahawakan nyo, natanggalin yung excess hair, then poke it using a fork. Add salt to remove excess moisture. Massage. Air dry for 1 to 2 hours. Kung hindi ka makaintay, gumamit ka ng electric fan. The only secret para crispy yung skin, make sure to add oil. Then air fry. O diba gumawa rin ako ng sausawan. After 50 minutes, make sure to rest the belly for 30 minutes before chopping it. Follow for more easy recipes. Bye guys. So good.